KCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Ka National Highway Authority of India shen kan sa shnano ya ka jingking ka bathamai hasanda jong ka jingking ka barim ka badan hadwark so hasurok ba Shillong bypass ya kan la pentib lagi head officer ka National Highway Authority of India ha ka jingelang balakli ro sembut menteri rangba ka jilla uba prestun tensong ka balalong ha ka sni palai jong ka santarik ubana jemang arajar arpuar Usumbot Menteri Rangba uba Preston Tensong hagajingnya keren mat kilat patai kubor uliyat ho baka National Highway Authority of India kaladat ban ya ka work order bat kularu ban sna pendep ka jingking ka bathamai hapo ship ho banai
menin nga don meeting te kila ka nakalian joka nahai na National Highway Authority of India kila ai work order te menne ka don ka joint inspection hakaba kimut ban sedang no bat kilawan sangaru rengkat baru chief engineer jong nahai ya so meeting menin apa kila ai kan suran sakamat jong kontraktor bendep lakum nuk kamdei ban cross ya respo dai hakaba kitsna te menet layele ya kan ka inspection hakaba menta namar ba pila nginem le hakatu kaju kinsna menta ka batmai marsenda itu kinsna da ka batmai ka bridge kanang ban light kanika ka flow of traffic movement taking snabit daka wepat namar katu kabarim ko mo pi ki light vehicle ki ai ki on loaded vehicle ki ai namar bangi restrict datang ya ka load capacity te kini ki company ki contractor ki bawan ki bayo ka kam ki ong ba kalau feasible ngin sedang nok menta nomdon jiktut eru mars ndai bat ketuka marsna bat ketuka existing bridge de mariadep kata nama kila ongi kila bu terkait lakmu shipunai kin pendep ya ketuka bridge I don't know because this is not looked by state PUD. It is done by the chief engineer of the National Highway Authority of India stationed in Shillong and along with the RO, regional officer of the National Highway Authority of India stationed in Guwahati. That is being used, still being used. That's why they wanted to complete it as early as possible, construction of a new bridge, because they keep repairing almost 3 times in a week to make that belly bridge useful. So therefore they really wanted from the National Highway Authority, they really wanted to complete this new bridge as early as possible. So therefore they have given me a target that 10 months time from the day the construction starts, they'll be able to.